You got a lot of trunk space for your system, and then you have it. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. So tell me your name and what's in here, man.
My name is Reggie. I got 215s, American-based Godfather series.
Okay.
On 12K Terrence MP.
Nice. So this is like a fourth order wall?
Yeah, fourth order flat wall.
Who built it?
Pump and Fraud builder, Pump and Fraud Designs.
Nice.
After you gave him a demo a few years back, you know when they got the full focus with the 418 night shades.
Oh, that's been a while. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Nice. Looks good. Do you know your tunings on the enclosure?
I think it's tuned like around 40 something, I think.
Okay.
Something like that.
Tune 40, but with the sealed section, you play. How low are you playing? You
I
know?
can pick up probably like 20 something, 28.
27,
like
20? Okay. And it's just two, not four of them mounted differently. Just two those
yeah,
two?
they two just inverted up.
Okay, so it's inverted here and there.
Yeah, it was able to see it before, but we had to change the port around just a little bit to get more port.
You readjusted your port area?
It was like make it more deep, more back in.
Okay. Did that help on the lows too?
Yeah,
Did?
somewhat, yeah, it did.
Yes, sir. Does everybody can see the amp install in the back? You got a lot of trunk space for your system, and then you have it walled right up to the back panel then.
Yeah.
Did they build it in the vehicle or did they slide it in?
It's a slider, you know.
Slide
So
it?
you gotta just take the door just in case I want to turn it back to a regular
Okay.
vehicle.
Yes, sir. Very nice.
Next year I'm gonna try to come back with something better, man. Something bigger.
You want it to be a little bit louder?
Oh yeah.
Have you metered it at all to kind of see what your SPL was?
When I did it, I had a Synergy 5K.
Yeah.
I did a 152.8 on that.
Okay.
I haven't metered it. I had a Terrence 8K.
Yes, sir.
It wasn't more than I put the 12K, so I never
And you
metered
could definitely tell the difference though.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. Great walk around of his system from the front to the back and show you everything. Try to show you everything in the video whenever I get demos, so I hope you're enjoying it. Be sure to give Reggie a thumbs up if you haven't already. And shout out to you, man, if you're watching. Great job with your build. He got really loud. He started with like a 5,000 watt amp, then he went to an 8K, and now he's at the 12K mark. So definitely upgrading to see how loud he could get. So go ahead and comment and let him know what you think about his system. Say something positive about it. I like the way he has added to his port length to lower his tuning. Great discussion on that. So him adding a depth to that port helped him play a little bit lower and more musical. So that might have probably helped his build be a little more musically loud. And to be able to have his seats right there between the ports with the port firing right between the seats like that for the wall. This makes this a fourth order bandpass enclosure. Instead of just having 215s walled behind the seats, the subs are faced on the left and right, one on each side, inverted up. Can't see them. I didn't want to poke my light and phone into the box to look into it. Sorry I didn't do that, but his subs are on the left and right side of the box there. So anyway, shout out to you, Reggie. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let's go ahead and get to the bass demo in a minute. Really powerful 12,000 watt amplifier pushing these Godfather 15-inch subwoofers to their limits. Great bass demo song that he's going to play for us as well. And last thing, this is at the Ruckus and Chill show in 2021, November, Fayetteville, North Carolina. Try to stay the shows. All the details in the description. I try to always put all of the information about the system as well as where the show was and the music that he plays in the description for every video. Awesome. Thank you very much. What was your name?
Reggie.
Reggie. All right, Jacob, man. Awesome. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Motherfucking pain, nigga.
Mistress.
Got a little smelly.
Yeah, a little bit.
I appreciate the demo, man.
Alright,
Very
thanks,
nice.
man.
Musical. And it's
Yeah.
just two, not four of them mounted differently. Just two those
Yeah,
two?
they two just inverted up.
Okay, so it's inverted here and there.
Yeah, it was able to see it before, but we had to change the port around just a little bit to get more port.
You
area.
readjusted your port area?
It was like make it more deep, more back in.
Okay. Did that help on the lows too?
Yeah,
Did-
somewhat, yeah, it did.
Yes, sir. You got a lot of trunk space for your system, and then you have it walled right up to the back panel then.
Yeah.
Did they build it in the vehicle or did they slide it in?
It's a sliding, you know.
Slide
so you
it?
have to just take the door just in case I want to turn it back to a regular
Okay.
vehicle or something.
Yes, sir. Very nice.
Next year I'm gonna try to come back with something better, man. Something bigger.
You want it to be a little bit louder?
Oh yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.